Jesse Toso lives and works in Vancouver, BC, where he spends much of his professional time with a chainsaw in his hands. He makes a lot of chainsaw carvings, both large and small, for both private and public clients in the area. Jesse works in a large, shared artist studio, though he has about 200 square feet to himself. Although he's got ample space to complete many projects, he often moves outside to work on commissions on site. This could take him to many other towns and cities nearby, where he sets up scaffolding to work on large projects. His carvings with chainsaws and other tools is what sets Jesse apart from many other makers. From small carvings like this egret, this octopus, or this giraffe, the larger carvings like this bench or this shark, Jesse is skilled when working 3 dimensions. He's also not one to shy away from furniture, as you can see here. He has a special love for making large coffee tables that become the centerpiece of a living room. Here's a small collection of pieces Jesse has made over the years.